If you wanted to use Samsung DeX on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra by using a cable, then in that case you might need to use an adapter that converts USB-C into the HDMI output. And then with that HDMI output you want to connect to your monitor or your TV. You can also find some of the information by going to settings. Then if you go to connected devices and choose Samsung DeX over here, you can see we have the option to do this wirelessly. However, if you want to do this with the cable, then like I said, you might need to use an adapter. So most of the time adapters can be found pretty cheap on Amazon or some similar devices, so you will need to purchase that unless your monitor or TV supports USB-C input as well, because in that case you can use the same cable that you use for charging your phone and then just connect your phone to your TV or monitor without the adapter, but just straight with the USB-C cable. However, if you have issues with connecting, then like I said, in that case we have to use the adapter. Once you are connected with the cable, for instance through the adapter, then in the bottom left corner you might see an icon that allows you to turn the phone into something like a mouse where you can move around in order to navigate on your TV or monitor by using the Samsung DeX. And in addition to that, if you wish to always be auto starting Samsung DeX whenever you connect the cable to your monitor or TV, then in that case you can tap on this switch over here, auto start when HDMI is connected. So even here, as you can see, we have the clue that we might need to use an HDMI cable. Therefore, an adapter is probably the way to go to successfully connect to TV or monitor. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!